Welcome to my channel and another little no-nonsense video. This one's just, as I had all my lights and everything out of my car to do my splitter recently, I thought while I'm here I'm going to give the headlights and the side lights etc. a bit of a polish up. It's a lot better generally to do them out of the car. It's worth remembering as well, the headlights pop out of the 911s quite easily. So you haven't got to worry about catching the outer edges of your paintwork with your mop, etc. So I've got a few comparisons for you, some befores and afters. I'll start off with the headlights, and basically I'm just using a mopping compound with a electric variable speed mop. The thing to do with it is take things nice and slowly with it, don't do it too fast. Keep your compound wet, have a little spray bottle of just water, keep it wet all the time, do not allow it to dry out, and don't allow the surface to become hot. You'll also see halfway through I decided I had a scratch across the front of my one of my side lights, and I decided to take the sandpaper to it and start to rub it down a little bit. I haven't removed it completely, but I've certainly softened it and polished it back up to sparkling shiny again. I'll do it again next time. But there you go. Take a look at this. This is what I did. Like I say, there are plenty of other ways of doing it. You can go through the various grades of paper and water. If your lenses are really yellow and discoloured, then you're probably going to have to go down that route. But if yours are already in pretty good condition and you look after them regularly, a mop and some rubbing compound, and then finish it off with a basic clear or white polish, ideally not containing ammonia, because ammonia in polishes can also accelerate the yellowing effect of your headlight plastic. And obviously give them a nice finish with some a decent coat of polish. So i.e. something like, you could use what am I thinking about, a silicone spray or something like that. Basically just give them a bit of a protection when they're finished. But take a look, see what you think. So that's about it. I've given them a bit of a buff up. In time, in reality, it's taken probably about half an hour, 45 minutes just to go over them a few times. Remember, keep them wet and nice circular motions and not too fast. Do it nice and slowly. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Take care. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm nearly on my 500. Not quite, but nearly. Take care for now. Love you lots. Bye.